Okie dokie. In this problem, they say assume the 3 o'clock position is level with the loading platform. The Ferris wheel is going in the counterclockwise direction. The wheel completes this many revolutions. When the wheel comes to a stop, choose the angle that represents your total travel. I think we've seen this exact question, except the answer choices in the other one were in degrees, and this one is in radians. So the nice thing, however, is it's the same in that I don't think you need to worry about like the starting position nor the direction you were traveling in. I think it's more about the number of revolutions you've gone around and I guess like what angle that corresponds to in terms of radians. So it's important to know that if you went around one complete revolution, that is equivalent to 360 degrees or 2 pi radians. So in this case, since we're dealing with radians, we're just going to multiply the number of revolutions by 2 pi. And before we use just 2 3/4, let's convert that to just a regular fraction by doing 4 times 2 plus 3. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11. And we leave that over 4. And now we have a fraction that is a little more usable, and it's the same fraction as 2 3/4. It's equivalent to that value. Okay, so now let's multiply these two. 11 times 2 is 22. Leave the pi, leave the 4 on the bottom because it's almost like 4 times 1, I guess. Yeah, so then we just simplify this. 22 over 4 can be reduced to 11 over 2, and we leave the pi. And we break out the eraser to see that D is our answer. Let's do one more. Ignore. Number of revolutions. Let's convert that to just a single fraction here. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. And we leave that over 2. And then we multiply the number of revolutions by the radians in a single revolution. And we can multiply across, or we can simplify first. 2 divided by 2, basically 2's cancel, and we're left with just 5 pi over 1, or just 5 pi. And that's pretty much it. I think those are the only 2 examples I have for you for this problem. So that's all I got. If you have any questions, please let me know.